What you doing up there? Alright, don't look at the mess. Because it is a mess. It was a very, very busy weekend. But today, well, let me start at the beginning. Okay. The baby's adoption fell through. Um, it's a long story. They were going to the same place. They had been visited here many times, but Saturday, they were supposed to go Saturday afternoon, and Saturday morning I had our community's Christmas parade, and I was volunteering at the animal shelter to help with their adoptions, and some of the animals were in the parade, and I got the phone call like in the middle of that, which was disheartening, but I truly feel like these things happen for the best. The only problem with that is that I know, and like I said, don't look at the mess. The only problem with that is I was going to let out the ferals and then put the other four babies in here, because it's a lot of work to have them in separate rooms, and it's Christmas, so I will be having visitors. And where'd you go? Hi. Anyway, so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try to put them all together because I've had, bigger cats in here with littler cats before. So on Saturday and Sunday, I worked on that like all weekend, plus some other stuff. Look, she's already knocked. I left my sweater in here today, and the little one, see the cage is open. The gray one will not come out of the cage at all. And the little one wouldn't either at first, and I left, and then I came back in just a little bit ago, and the teeny tiny, the feral one is up there. Anyway, so it would not work, putting the little ones in here. I got a little cage, the little black one from the other room, and this one, Adonis, will not tolerate it. I mean, the little black one attacks all of them, and even its own like litter mates when it's in here. And I mean attacks. Like if it was just some hissing and stuff like that, I would still try to do it. But like attacks, and he's so much smaller than these three that I'm just like, oh, if he attacks them and actually like manages to get a hurtful swipe in, and they retaliate, that would be terrible. Oh, look how pretty you are. I know. So I have nixed that plan, and I am just letting these three and then the three ferals. Look, see, there's a tail and there's a foot. I wonder let's see how it goes if I get closer. I don't want to spook her though, because she's up on this, and if she scrambles, she could hurt herself. So I don't want to do too much. Where'd you come here? Hello, love. Hi, Angel. Hi. I hear you hiss at me. Can you get down? I mean, I know you can't be stuck because you got up there. Look at that baby. Hi, Angel. Hi. Hello, love bug. I know. Don't you love me? Okay. I know. But yeah, the gray one will not come out. Will you not? Just won't do it. So I'm just leaving the cage open and letting them come back and forth as they please. And then tomorrow we will start working on, because that just happened this morning. And tomorrow we'll start working on them. But for today, this is it. Yes. I know, and that's why I have came in here, because I actually want to rearrange the closet But I thought they'd be out here by now. So that's going to have to wait just a minute. So I'll clean out here first and then I'll rearrange. You see, it's such a mess. Oh, but I did get some really cute footage of Hope this morning playing with one of those cat dancers that I have put on the cat tree in there. She loves that thing. And then I'll also film in just a little bit. Oh, and the other reason I decided, and I don't know if this is because of the stress of trying to put them together, but the little tortie has developed diarrhea. And it's painful, like it's burning her. So she's like screams. So we did start some anti-diarrhea medicine, and I have been using the Aquaphor and the butt paste, and that's helping. So I'm just watching it because it may have just been the stress of trying to put them together. I don't want to like freak out because no one else has it. But I will film them in a minute. So then they'll be all three. Because Hope's clip of playing will go in here too. Look at this girl. I'm not even mad that I have to rewash these towels. I keep forgetting she can get on the kitchen table. Because used to I would put everything up here so she couldn't get to it. Then she'll just jump up here. So now, because she's on the towels, they have to be rewashed. But that's okay. Yes. But the reason I turned the camera on, I'm feeling a bit emotional about this little one. Because she was sitting like a loaf and she was just like staring at me. And I want to say that you just should never give up. I mean, I know that's cheesy and cliche, but this baby, I mean, of all the cats and kittens that I've ever helped, this one should not have survived. And it wasn't me. Like, I'm not saying I did not cure. I mean, we still don't even know what's wrong with her. She's never had a diagnosis. But look at, she is the one. I don't know. I don't have words for it. I'm sorry. But she's just amazing. She's just such an amazing little thing. And I know I'm going to get in trouble again, like I did. She shouldn't be playing with my hands. I know this. But she is very, very spoiled, and she does get away with everything. And I know that's terrible, but, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. I can't help but spoil her. Show everybody your pretty eyes. Here, look, show everybody your pretty eyes. I don't even know. Here. Okay. This is what happens anytime you sanitize their litter box. Almost any kitten's litter box, actually. Now, I don't know if they have to re-put their smell on it or if they're just excited to use a brand new. Ow, excuse me, that hurts. Oh, sorry. Litter box or what? I am happy to say, where is she? Oh, she's over there. I am happy to say that the little ones, diarrhea is clearing up. What are you doing? But maybe, I think she's playing with her shadow. So I do think it was stress. What are y'all playing with? What is it? Oh, it's the ball. I do think it was stress. Because it really didn't make sense how fast it came and like no one else had it. The only problem is it hurt her so much that her leg, one of her legs has a little sore on it. But I'm putting cream on it, but it'll be okay. It will be just fine. Oh, what? Get it. Where'd the toy go? See, look. I know, honey. Oh. But see, she doesn't walk on her back legs very well right now because it's called scalding. They were scalded. But it's not that bad. I mean, you can't hardly tell, like, to look at it. So, it's not like there's, like, bleeding sores or anything. Yes, hi. Where's your thing go? Where's the thing? They were loving this thing. I don't know where he went. Let me move the light a little. Oh. Hi. What you doing? Okay. What are you doing? I don't understand what she's doing. I don't know if it's the shadows. Why are you being weird? Alright. And the baby's eating. They love these little balls. Kris sent over, they're the little Jackson Galaxy. They're just these little plastic things. They're not really even balls. But everybody that I've given one to has loved them. What happened? You got a big puppy tail. What happened? What is he? You can come in. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have no idea what I was just filming because I was watching the little tortie. I mean, she is like really fascinated by the shadows on the wall. She is carrying it in her mouth. Oh. What? Oh, let me get out your light. Is that the funnest toy in the world? I'm gonna have to go get some more. I only brought one in here. And they obviously love it. Are you sneaking up on me? Are you sneaking playing with? Oh. Are you taking a bath? See, you can tell she's feeling better. She's hunting me. Whoa. Yeah. She's a good girl. Yes, you gave me quite a scare. Oh, sorry, I wasn't filming. See, I keep watching them and not filming. Not watching when I'm filming. It's very difficult. Oh. Oh. I don't know where they're at. Yeah, I'm going to have to go get another one. Whoa, whoa. Oh, there went the water. That's why I get heavy glass bowls. If that would have been a regular bowl of water, it would have slid all the way across the room. Okay, I'm going to go get you some more bowls. So, tell everybody, say bye. Hey, say bye. Oh, are you going to say bye? Here, come here. Nope. Can you say bye? Oh, okay, say good. Oh, what you got on your nose?